So here's how to play audio or music across multiple slides in Google Slides. So first you want to add your audio to your slide. So let's click on this slide and then click on Insert and then Audio, and then select your audio from your Google Drive and then click on Insert. Now I have an audio already inserted, so you can simply click on the icon of the audio, and then you should see a menu pop up on the right side. Now, if you scroll down, you can see an option named Stop on Slide Change. This will essentially stop the audio if the slide changes, and we don't want that. So if you don't want that, you can uncheck this. Now, if you also want your audio to loop after it's done, it continues to play again over and over, you can check Loop Audio if you want to. And that should play the audio without cutting out, even when you switch to other slides. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.